2017 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, CD player, passenger airbag, bucket seats, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats, privacy glass, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.